Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Christmas came early. Look at this huge box that FabFitFun sent over to me. For today's video, I've partnered up with FabFitFun and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for their winter box. I'm so excited to open this box up with you guys and see all of the goodies that are inside. So a big thank you to FabFitFun for sending this box over to me. I'm sure most of you have already heard of FabFitFun, but just in case you haven't, before I open up this box, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about how FabFitFun works. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size products ranging from beauty, fitness, lifestyle. So it'll be 4 boxes that you will be receiving a year, and each box is $49.99, but the value of the items inside of the box are over $200, which is such a good deal. If you are interested in subscribing to the FabFitFun seasonal boxes, then you can use my code Madeline and that'll get you $10 off of your first box. I will be leaving the direct website link down below along with my coupon code. And also another cool thing is that you can customize the items from your box. I didn't get to choose the items that were sent to me, so it's going to be a big surprise and I'm so excited to open it up. This winter box is just very girly, very pretty. It gets you so excited whenever you see it. It is pretty heavy. So let me go ahead and start opening it up. There it goes. You ready? Okay, let's see what is inside. I think I opened up the box completely wrong, but that's okay. What matters is what's inside. So okay, I'm already seeing a lot of things. Everything just comes wrapped in this paper that says FabFitFun all over it, and then it has the FabFitFun logo sticker. Let me go ahead and start off with this right here. This is the original pink makeup eraser. It erases all of your makeup with just water, and I've actually heard about this before, but I've never really seen it in stores, but I just received it in this box, so I'm so excited about this one. It says that it contains 1 makeup eraser cloth, and this one, what else does it say? It says it lasts 3 to 5 years. It also says that it works like a suction cup. It's made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers. So this is a really cool product and I'm very excited to try it out tonight because I have a full face of makeup, so I really want to see if it'll work on whenever you're wearing a lot of makeup. It just says bye bye makeup wipes forever. Okay, so let's open it up. So this is what the towel looks like, and you're just supposed to get it wet, and then that's it. You just add water and it's supposed to remove all of your makeup. I don't even know where to start. So many things. Let me go ahead and grab this right here. This is a Frank Body, what is this? Lose the pants, you don't need them, where we're going, destination of Baytown. How to use me. Okay, so get naked and get wet in the shower. Oh, okay, it's a scrub. It says massage scrub over your entire body. Reseal my waterproof bag. Keep me in the shower. Rinse your bod. Use me 2 to 3 times per week for best results. I love a body scrub, so I'm very excited to also try this one out because I feel like when you use a body scrub, your skin is just so much smoother once you get out of the shower. And then I really like how you can keep it inside of your shower, so you don't have to like keep coming out and getting it. This one says in the back, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It's an original coffee scrub with 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. And this is by Frank Body, so very excited to try this one. I actually have a coffee body scrub. I purchased it from Target and I really like that one, and oddly I kind of really like the smell. So like I said, very excited to try that one. Next up we have this right here. What is this? This is the, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but the Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. and it's a good sized bottle. It has 8 ounces. This one has a lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. So that sounds very moisturizing. I'm gonna open it up so I can smell it. Okay, it doesn't have a bad smell to it. Next up, we have this box right here. This one says Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. Okay, so this one has masks. Oh, it has a few in here. I'm really excited about this. I know I keep saying I'm excited about this and that and this and that, but I just really like finding new products and things that help me take care of my body, my face, and just everything like that. So let's see how many we have.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7 masks in this box. We have one for clarifying, for brightening, antioxidant, age defying, hydrating, exfoliating, and a renewal eye mask. I already have a face mask that I kind of tend to stick to, but I am always open to trying out new masks. So here I have a lot, and I think the first one that I'm going to try tonight is the exfoliating one. I really love to exfoliate my skin or my face. I just feel like I have a brand new skin every time I exfoliate. So I feel like this box is so far, I'm really liking everything. The next thing that we have, and I feel like this is probably why the box was really heavy, this is a blanket. I love blankets. I have so many blankets here at the house that I just love having them around, especially here in the living room. So this one says unhide for love, not fur. So this is a faux fur blanket, fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. This one is a 50 by 60 inch blanket, and I can already tell it's really soft. I probably should have gotten some scissors, but here we go. And here is what the blanket looks like. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's soft from both sides. So it's soft from the front. Here's where the faux fur is, but this faux fur is not like the long haired ones that I have some that have the longer hairs, and I don't really like that because it does shed a lot of hair. And then on the other side is like that soft velvety material. So this blanket is perfect to just throw over watching movies, perfect for this time of the year. So I'm so excited that they included this blanket in this box. I feel like that would actually make a perfect Christmas gift. I know if I got one, I would be so happy. I love, love, love blankets. Okay, next up we have slippers. Okay, we have a pair of slippers. These are the slippers. They are medium large. I'm a small medium. Let's try them on. They're a little bit big on me, but I don't mind. I don't mind. It's okay. I mean, they're slippers. They're to be around the house. It's not that bad. I feel like the faux fur that they have inside kind of helps them fit me a little bit better. These are by the brand PJ Salvage, and it just says live life cozy. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be super cozy this winter with my super comfortable slippers, my blanket, and then all of the other things to just kind of unwind. I kind of feel like having a night in, just me by myself. Maybe my husband take the kids out with him, just relaxing here at the house. Let's see what else we have. Okay, next up we have this right here that says Prep Rally. It's a prime and prep detangler. Okay, it's by Dry Bar. So this is for the hair. So this has biotin, a vitamin B and C, and UV blockers. This is a lightweight detangler that protects hair from heat. So this is really good to spray onto your hair before you're going to add like your blow dryer or any other hot tool. I've been using my Tresemme detangler for such a long time, and I've never really thought about switching out that spray. But now that I got this one in this box, I'm gonna give this one a try and see how I like it. Let me go ahead and open it up to see what it smells like. It just smells so fresh. It smells really good. We have this right here. This is LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. It's a nourishing balm to oil. So you pretty much squeeze out the balm and massage onto your skin. You use it as an overnight facial mask or through the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. This is perfect for me because I have really dry skin to the point where, since it's really cold outside right now, if I even forget to put on lotion, I can immediately see like white patches all over right here, especially around the nose area, the mouth area. I get really flaky. This is actually something really good for me to try out and for me to even carry in my bag. It's supposedly very hydrating, so let's see. Okay, nothing's coming out. Why? Huh. You squeeze out the balm, it says. Like, I promise you, I'm squeezing really hard. I don't know. Did I miss a step? No, it should be coming out.
Nothing is coming out. Okay. Hold on.
No. Okay. Huh. Okay, well, I mean, I was able to stick my nail in there and take some out. So maybe by doing that, now the rest will come out. No? Like, you see me actually squeezing this out? And nothing is coming out. How am I supposed to use this? Well, okay, the little amount that I was able to take out, let me try it out. Okay, so this actually feels like Vaseline, but not very thick. And then it doesn't really have a smell to it. Just no way that this is coming out. Like, the only way was of me sticking my nail in there, and that's it. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Finally, it came out. That is it for products. I have a few like papers, a Karuna, 25% off order code. So this is the same brand, Karuna. I got a 25% off code that I can use on their website. So if I do like these masks that I received, and then I can go ahead and go on their website and get me some more for a discounted price. And then HelloFresh. I know you've heard of HelloFresh. I've heard of them for quite some time now. It's a $90 gift card and I have to claim it within 30 days. So I am very excited to use this one. That's a $90 gift card. Next up, I have this magazine right here by FabFitFun. It says Winter 2019. And then inside, let's see. Wow, they have a lot of coupon codes. I'll have to check this out later because if I do end up loving these products that I'm going to be trying out for the next few days, then I could just go into this magazine and get the coupon codes and just purchase some more of the items. So far, what do you think? Everything that I mentioned, have you heard of it before? I know I haven't. Pretty much all of these brands, well, except Dry Bar and HelloFresh, I mean, I've heard of those before, but everything else is pretty new to me. So I am very excited to try everything out. Again, if you are interested in subscribing to the FabFitFun seasonal boxes, you can use my code Madeline for $10 off of your first box. I really loved the items that were selected for the winter time. Now that I'm getting a little bit older, I feel like I pay more attention to hair masks and face masks and lotions and whatever I apply to my body and just taking care of myself. So I feel like this winter box was perfect for that. I feel like it has a lot of things that are just gonna make me, you know, kind of unwind. So I definitely think that if you are interested in subscribing to FabFitFun, I would really recommend it. Nothing is travel size, nothing is like a smaller sample package or anything like that. Everything is full size. You're actually paying way less than what you would have if you were to purchase everything separately. So I hope you enjoyed today's video with the unboxing of the FabFitFun winter box. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I am doing Vlogmas this year, so that means there will be a video every single day on my channel, whether it's fashion, beauty, vlogs, mommy videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on tomorrow's video.